To help your students make informed decisions about their college plans, you need to have accurate information about their California State University and University of California eligibility. CaliforniaColleges.edu's CSU and UC eligibility reporting tools can help you see how your students are progressing towards meeting CSU and UC eligibility requirements. To access these tools, log into your CaliforniaColleges.edu account and, from the Educator dashboard, click Report Management. In the Category dropdown, click Academic. To view CSU eligibility, click in the Report Type dropdown and select How well are students progressing towards meeting CSU eligibility requirements? Then click Run Report. You can use the filters at the top to view students who match certain criteria, such as gender, ethnicity, or race. Once your filters are set, click Run Report again to filter down your list. A No Data message means that the selected information was not in the data files provided by your district. To discuss, please reach out to your CCGI district lead. To remove filters, click Reset Filters. This report allows you to track how well your students are doing towards meeting CSU eligibility requirements, including A through G progress, both for subject area requirements and overall unit progress. It also breaks this data down based on Cal State GPA, so you can easily follow up with the appropriate intervention for your students. The information in the report is based on the most recent transcript data provided by your district. Clicking on the number next to Off Target due to both unit and subject area deficiencies, you can see a list of students which can be sorted by grade level, GPA, number of units deficient, and subject areas deficient. To do so, click the up or down arrow next to the category name you wish to sort by. Here is an example of how you might use the data found in this report. Sorting by deficient units allows you to quickly identify which students are only slightly off target and which are facing larger deficiencies, helping you to prioritize follow-up and determine the best intervention. For this student who is 0.5 units off track, you might ask yourself the following questions. Are there credit recovery options this student can access to regain eligibility? And is there a way for this student to meet this requirement through testing and/or subject validation? You can use the Actions options to export and download the report as a PDF or, using Excel or CSV formats, as a spreadsheet that you can filter and sort on your computer. Note that exported reports will maintain any filters or sorting currently in place. You can also click Summary to return to the summary view. Clicking on a student name, then clicking CSU Eligibility allows you to view that student's coursework, identify any gaps, make course recommendations, and determine what other support may be needed. Note that the eligibility tools on CaliforniaColleges.edu have been updated to align with the temporary A through G changes that CSU and UC implemented in response to COVID-19. Going to the Report Type dropdown and selecting How well are students progressing toward meeting UC eligibility requirements provides a similar report focused on UC eligibility. As with CSU, you can view your students at a glance or drill down into the UC eligibility of individual students. That's how it's done. Now you can see your students' CSU and UC eligibility at a glance and identify how best to support them.